Hi, have you ever raised funds? I haven't. Not until recently when I met the Black Jaguar Foundation. This foundation made me realize that it's all about taking action. I had to make a difference. Me! Now, here, when waiting for others, opportunities are lost. That is what I learned when I saw the immensity of the area the tiny Black Jaguar team is reforesting. Just a few people. Together with their partners, they are an amazing force protecting and rehabilitating the ecosystem of an immense part of the Amazon, the lungs of the world. Not just our oxygen, also our water. As would the rainforest really vanish, so would its rainfall. The BGF got me to decide that waiting time is over. I learned that 7 or 8 trees cover my yearly oxygen supply. For my family of 4, I need 30 trees. Paying for 30 trees was my first step. My second is to ask you to do the same. Click below to cover your yearly supply of oxygen and please pay it forward.